evening and welcome to Analyst Hangout. I am Perpetua Fasumi Peter. I'm excited to have you join us today, and joining me today are Ambrose Omodio, the Chief Research Officer at Invest Data Consulting. He's right here with us in the studio. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me again.
Absolutely. And I also have right here with me in the studio Charles Fakroha, iBrandTV business analyst and stockbroker. Good to have you join us today.
It's a pleasure having you two on set.
All right, Mokhtar Mohammed, an investment banker and CEO Finance with Mokhtar, will be joining us later on the show. Meanwhile, we also have Oladipo Ajayi, the head fixed income, Chapel Hill, Denham. He joins us virtually. Good to have you join us today, Mr. Ajayi. All right. Well, we'll begin with the stock market report now. And looking at the stock market report, fresh buying interest from investors who are enticed to re-enter the market ahead of the Christmas sales ignored the latest inflation number as the Nigerian exchange closed Friday in the positive territory. This raised the all-share index by 83.27 points at the close of business to 49,316.29 points on Friday from 49,233.02 points. Back-end stocks dominated the most active stocks as Zenith saw fresh interest, followed by GTCO, EcoBank, UBA, and Fidelity Bank. Well, that's the story for now, and I will be analyzing this particular story now. And of course, it is your honor.
Yeah, thank you. I would say that the investors we will call piling up for Christmas.
Okay.
And I'm surprised that when people are calling me, why is the market going? I say,
why is what did they ask?
Why is the market going up? I say, are you surprised the market is going up? I say, go and check history. The last quarter of the year has only been positive. Only in few occasions, you see last quarter of the year closing down. And that something has happened at this, outside the economy and outside everything entirely before you see the last quarter. December to closing down. For the last 15 years, we are closing down just only twice. We saw December in red, and that's light red, not just red that we are so pronounced. For me, what we are seeing now that people are taking position for what? For end of the year window dressing. I said in this program that most of the companies on the exchange would like to close the year higher than what they opened the year. That is for the company listed. Why the traders like fund managers, PFAs want to also close the portfolio of their clients higher so that they can earn higher return for the portfolio they are managing. Tells you that at the end of the year now, market will be will up. But the good thing is that if you look at the company performance for the last 3 quarters, have also been uptrend in terms of performance. Yeah. This is what we are looking at. And if you look at also the price and the earnings yield, we see that dividend yield is high. And now, what happened yesterday and last week shows that investors are looking to equity. One, you see inflation, galloping up. You see yield in the fixed income market declining. And where will you run to? When we see that the more interest inflation go up, turning the yield in the fixed income into deeper rate. And we are not seeing that equity market, they are seeing low price and dividend is high. You have to make choice. And also the time value of money is very, very much. I said that we put a price at the other side, we could also put time at the other side. Now, in the next 4 months, we're making, I said it here in this program, whether 2 days or 3 days ago, between 8 to 13% in dividend yield in some stocks in less than 4 months. Then the last what we call Treasury bill option, we saw rate declining for the 3 tenor. It tells that, if I'm waiting for 6 months alone or for 91 days, I'm earning around 5 to something percent for that 90. I can do it in equity in just 1 day. Then also, if I look at 182 days, 7 points, then I go for 364 days, that is less than 10%, around 10.9%. For then equity can give you dividend yield of 12% on dividend alone. If that stock appreciates also in terms of price, you also make more money. And also the time is what we're looking at. I'm not going to only just the dividend. Look at the time frame. For a whole year, you're going to wait for 10 points. If you are going to put your money in Treasury bill now, at this point today, and they pay you on, because it's on payment. Once you put your money, like on last Wednesday, you drop a 1 million naira, they give you 100,000 naira. Until 1 year, they give you back your money. What have I invested? What am I gaining from that? For that, it's not that
it's the volatility, really. Some persons are not willing because you need a lot of. You need technical knowledge, you need fundamentals, you need all these things. And some persons are not ready to go the whole, to start learning all of that.
For those that everybody cannot be a
for those that want to sit at the first and be their money, you don't put 100 million and take 100,000 now and wait for 1 year. That 1 million, I can take it and turn it up before that 1 year. You'll be only at the end of the day, they pay back your 1 million back. But that's why, as an investor, you can diversify your portfolio put some in equity. But for those that want to, for me, I don't trade anything called fixed income. I trade anywhere.
It's okay. I think I'd like us to hear Oladipo Ajayi's thoughts on this particular one. Oladipo, I mean, he has massacred your industry. He has massacred.
I did it.
These are various investment options.
Oladipo, I'd like you to talk. I mean, listen to what he said. I'm defending you right now. I'm giving you the time to defend yourself.
It's a choice.
Of course, it's a choice.
All right, please go ahead, Oladipo.
Well, for me, I think just like what you said, it's a choice. I'm sure Ambrose is only looking at it from the angle of a very good market. But the state equity market, you can put your money and lose 50% of your investments.
Yes.
You see it happen on some stocks.
Yes.
We knew where international buildings were trading at the time. We knew where when Rwanda was trading close to 150 naira. So we have those stocks now in the market. So fixed income also gives you safety. It gives you safety. You can put your money in and go to sleep and know that very well that at least your money is secure and nothing is happening to your principal. But for me, I think that it's just about investor. You understand me? Yes. And I don't see a situation where someone will be fixated only on fixed income or only on equity. I see a situation whereby there's a balance of, so based on your risk appetite. Sometimes maybe based on your cash flow planning, you can decide to put some funds that you know you are not needing anytime soon in the fixed income, while you know that funds that you know you can allow to stay longer in the equity space. And I agree to Ambrose to a great extent that there are some stocks that can give you what a 1 year bill will give you with just 2 trading days or even 1 trading days. Because when a 1 year treasury bill is giving you 9.8 back, so it means, but when you compare just one gain in some stocks, you can get 10.7% in just 1 day. So I guess the angle at which is coming from, but you also need to look at it from the angle of the risk.